Hey you ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Since the last 2 weeks I haven't recorded anything as I was on vacation and I opened the default Mac OS screen recorder which can be opened with Command Shift 5. I'm currently recording with it. So I thought let's also put a face cam in, but as I saw I cannot do that. So the other alternative to do it is to install OBS. I did that in OBS too. It gives a frame in which I have to accommodate my screen recording and my face cam. And if I use this setup, I cannot move my face cam during the recordings if I want to show something, or I cannot minimize or enlarge my face cam. So I thought let's look other alternatives. But the very next thought was I am a developer too. I can create things. So why not make something like it? This way I can also show you how I work with AIs. Currently I have two subscriptions, one of Claude Code and one of OpenAI's Codex. I'm using T3 Code, which is a wrapper on Codex CLI and a very good wrapper in fact. So let me just open my terminal and create a folder. I want this to be a desktop app. So I will create a Tori app. Let's just give it a basic name, Green Rack. Once the app has been compiled, it will open a window of the app. For now, let's close it. Open Cloud Code or Codex or whatever other agent you are using. So what I do is I just dump whatever is in my mind into this. And for writing the prompt, I don't type. I use Handy. If you don't know what Handy is, it is a speech to text transcriber, open source and free. In fact, you have to select a model for speech to text transcription, and that's it. So I will just speak a prompt. Okay, so this is my prompt. So what I do with my prompt is I add this grill me skill. It is just a 3-line skill that tells the agent to interview me about my app while creating the plan so that it can make a very concrete plan. Add this and send it. Now it will analyze my prompt and ask me questions. I will answer all the questions and show you the plan afterwards. Alright, so the question answers are done. It asked me 14 questions. This grill me skill is really very good because it allows the agent to ask you questions that you didn't even think will make it to the final app. I'll show you the plan now. Okay, so the plan is made. I will read through the plan, tell it anything that I want to revise, and then just start building. I chose Claude Code as the plan maker because it allows to select the text and just leave a comment here. And every time I make the initial project, I just give it in bypass mode. The initial app is created because it is a screen recording app. It will ask for all the permissions once I give all the permission. This is the initial UI it created. It has a capture option to capture region, window or display. I will choose display. It has input source which is also choosable if I want to add system audio or not, if I want to give it access to my camera or not. There we go. This is the feature that I wanted the most, to show me a camera and also change how I want to create it. I can also mirror it in real time or add borders. I don't know what borders do. Okay, it just breaks it. If borders are something is happening, the border is not working and all of that. Fine, I can choose this too. Let me create a very low effort video. I don't know what will happen because I'm also recording this video right now. I will just test this and fix all the issues that I find.
One eternity later.
For me, it's the next day. So this is day 2 of building this screen recording app. In the night, what I did is I cleaned up all the bugs that I found and improved the UI of both of these pages. I named the app Cube. This is an installed app, so it won't show me. Let me start the dev server so it will show the exact name. Oh, why the hell is it still screen rack? See? And I also made a logo for this. You can see it right here. It looks a very original logo copied from nowhere. Anyways, for fixing this, I used up 100% of my Claude limit on Opus 4.8. I was just changing the name, so I used a older model. But till now, I have liked what Opus 4.8 does. After the limit was over, I started using OpenAI's Codex. Why the hell is it working for 1 hour? What is it even doing? A majority of my time was spent in fixing this camera thing. So what I have right now is I have 3 aspect ratios. circle, square, and rectangle. And you can change the rounding if you want and mirror the output if you need. And also you can resize it. So if you choose a square, the aspect ratio will be maintained. The dev server just got restarted. That's why I was using this. Camera unavailable. If you choose square, the aspect ratio of square is maintained when you resize the window. Same goes for rectangle, but it gets a bit janky for rectangle because sometimes people do this or this, but most of the times it gets the aspect ratio correct. And for circle, it's just a circle. So what people usually does is they just put a recording here in, I think everybody does rectangle, do some kind of resolution, and then they will do their blah blah blah. And when there is some content that's hidden over here, my god, it's pissing me off. So what I'm trying to explain is when there's some content hidden in this region, then they have to go to OBS or go to whatever software they are using, then change that their camera layout from here to there or something like that, or change the size of the face cam. With this, you can do it directly. And also, I mean, when you click stop, don't, don't piss me off. And yeah, two cool features I added. I mean, it was already there, but I fixed cursor effects and keystroke. So cursor effects is when you click and some kind of circle shows that you clicked, and keystroke shows what keys I am pressing. Let me just show you, but I'm recording this. Wait. It shows a preview of the just recorded app. I mean, just recorded screen. If you want, you can just do this and save. Oh shit. That was the video that I recorded using that now to. I'm such a dumbass. Nonetheless, close this. Now I will just make a few more tweaks and show you the final app. After some trial and error, I have finalized this design and how it works. So when you start the app, it just is a small toolbar. Here you can select the screen region you want to record, whether you can select the area, select an app or your entire screen, turn on or off your mic, your camera. When you turn on the camera, you can change everything right from here. Mirror, also camera off, and also change the audio settings. This is the system audio. And for more settings, you can go to here where you can find the cursor effects and keystrokes. And one more thing, in the menu bar too, I have kept all the settings that are required. So if this is hidden, you can directly change things from here without opening the toolbar again. It's broken, I know that. It's not working correctly, but that's what an MVP is. You just have to create something that works and can be shown. I started this project yesterday at 10 p.m. and right now it's the next day 11 a.m. I created this in about 3 or 4 hours. After some bug fixing, I will use this myself for recording the videos. The motive to create this video was to show you how easy it is to create apps in a few hours with the new agents and all. This is a very great time to be a software developer because you can create anything that you like. And if you want to check this project out, I will put a GitHub link of this project in the description below, so you can just click on that and run it for yourself. I think it should work on Windows, Mac, and Linux because I told the AI to do so. Peace out.